Deposit on Binance in Australia using payid. How to deposit on Binance in Australia using payid? Now make sure you are logged into your Binance account. Now head over to trade. Now click P2P. Now after that, make sure you select buy because you want to deposit. Now after that, select your local country, local currency. Now after that, select the crypto that you want to buy. For this, I will select USDT. Now after that, select the payment as payid. And now after a while, this page it will refresh it to show you the providers that they accept payid. And after you select one of these providers, now make sure to select this the next of the provider pro, and now click on buy USDT. Now after that, make sure you read all the instructions to save your money, and now tap how much of USDT you want to buy. Now after that, select your payment, select payid. Now after that, after you click on buy USDT, now you can deposit on Binance in Australia using payid. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.